Are you amazed by architectural marvels? The world is full of incredible structures that defy the odds and stand as a testament to human creativity and engineering prowess. From the towering skyscrapers of New York City to the ancient pyramids of Egypt, these structures captivate our imagination and inspire awe. But among all these wonders, one structure stands out for its unique and precarious position: the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Brace yourself, because today we're talking about one of the most fascinating engineering feats in history: the incredible engineering behind straightening the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This iconic structure, known for its unintended tilt, has been a subject of fascination and concern for centuries. But how did it come to lean in the first place, and what did engineers do to save it from collapsing? Back in 1990, the Leaning Tower of Pisa was leaning dangerously at 5.5 degrees. This might not sound like much, but for a structure standing 56 meters tall, it was a significant and alarming tilt. The tower was on the brink of collapse, and something had to be done urgently to preserve this historical monument. And was on the brink of collapse. So, how did engineers save it? The challenge was immense and the stakes were high. The solution required a combination of innovative thinking, precise execution, and a deep understanding of the tower's unique structure and the soil it stood on. Let's find out. The first step was to stabilize the tower temporarily. Engineers came up with a clever idea to use 600 tons of lead counterweights on the north side of the tower. First off, they temporarily stabilized the tower with 600 tons of lead counterweights. These counterweights acted like a balancing act, similar to putting weights on one side of a seesaw to keep it from tipping over. On the north side. Think of it like putting weights on one side of a seesaw. This ingenious method helped reduce the tilt slightly, but it was clear that more needed to be done to ensure the tower's long-term stability. This reduced the tilt slightly, but more was needed. The next approach involved using deep anchors to pull the northern side of the tower down. Engineers hoped that by anchoring the tower to the ground, they could correct the tilt. Next, they tried using deep anchors to pull the northern side down. However, this method proved to be a big mistake. Instead of stabilizing the tower, it actually made the tilt worse. Big mistake, this actually made the tilt worse. The tower's lean increased and the situation became even more precarious. It was a setback, but the engineers didn't give up. Oops! The failure of the deep anchor method led engineers to explore other options. They needed a solution that would address the root cause of the tilt without causing further damage to the tower. Then came the big winner's under excavation. This technique involved carefully removing soil from beneath the tower's north side. By doing so, engineers aimed to create a controlled and gradual correction of the tilt. Engineers carefully removed soil from beneath the tower's north side. This process required precision and patience, as even the slightest miscalculation could have disastrous consequences. Imagine digging out tiny bits of sand under one side of your sandcastle. Just like that, engineers meticulously removed small amounts of soil to gradually reduce the tilt, to make it stand up straighter. Genius, right? This method, known as under excavation, proved to be the key to saving the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It was a delicate and time-consuming process, but it worked. This process, combined with modern monitoring systems, successfully reduced the tower's lean. Engineers used advanced technology to monitor the tower's movements in real time, ensuring that the under excavation was proceeding as planned. By half a degree, bringing it back to a safer angle from the early 1800s. The tower's lean was reduced by half a degree, bringing it back to a safer angle that it had in the early 1800s. This monumental achievement was a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the engineers involved. Talk about a monumental save. The Leaning Tower of Pisa was no longer in immediate danger of collapse, and it could continue to stand as a symbol of architectural wonder and human ingenuity. So next time you see the Leaning Tower, remember, it's not just an architectural wonder, but a testament to human ingenuity and engineering brilliance. The story of how engineers saved the Leaning Tower of Pisa is a reminder that with creativity, determination, and a bit of ingenuity, even the most challenging problems can be solved. But a testament to human ingenuity and engineering brilliance. Keep marveling, folks. The next time you visit the Leaning Tower of Pisa, take a moment to appreciate not just its beauty, but the incredible engineering effort that went into preserving it for future generations. Keep marveling, folks.